Okay, I have to do this in under 12 minutes. It's bird percent. I'm gonna do bird percent. Hey, wait, I think that's a personal best. And that's a tie for the world record. I decided that I already have all 4 of the bird percents for Dash 1 mobile and Switch, so I figured I might as well get these 2 as well. 9. Oh, wait a minute, no, there's nothing in 9. There's nothing in 9. Yeah, so basically the reason why I'm doing this is because I figured that I already have all 4 of the world records in Switch and mobile for bird, so I might as well go for the 2 in web as well. So I can have all 6. Excuse me. And go to 14. 14. Dude, I'm clicking on things and it's not responding. Yeah, 16. No! $17, $18, and $19. 17. Hello? Oh my god! I was pressing go and it wasn't doing anything! Oh my god! Ah. That's the thing with this web. It's friggin' lags. Or you press a button and it fucking doesn't do anything. Excuse me, I tried to press pause. Another thing. Another one right there. Hello, I pressed on 18. Oh my god. Sometimes it's like fucking pulling teeth. $18 is done. Okay, one more. And then after this, we'll do radish. After this, we'll do radish. we're done. Jesus. Alright, well, Grandmaster Mario, that is it. We have done another bird percent, so I now have 5 out of 6 -1 bird percent world records. Alright, that was about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes or so. Alright, we're done. Grandmaster Mario, that's it. Next time we'll do Radish.